Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a sort of like wavy pattern on Adobe Illustrator CC. You're just going to grab the square tool and I'm just going to use this. Actually, I am going to be using the color pink for mine. Let me just lock my background so that doesn't go everywhere. There you go. And then I am going to create a line. So go to the line segment tool and just create a line here, and then you're just going to keep on duplicating it. So oops. For instance, I'm going to put it down here a little bit, and then I'm just going to press Ctrl C, Shift Ctrl V, and press duplicate. And you're just going to keep doing that until you have filled like your square. Ctrl C, Shift Ctrl V, and then Ctrl D. So the space isn't different. Ctrl C, Shift Ctrl V, and duplicate that. And once you have filled in your square, I'm just going to select everything, and I'm just going to select this tool, then press Alt on my keyboard and just delete the bits outside of the square, like so. Okay, select all and then press Ctrl G to group them, or just right click and select group. Once you're done, you are going to go to Object and then Envelope Distort and Make with Mesh. 3 and 3, select OK, and use this selection tool to create the wave by just dragging this up and down. It is up to you to make the sort of wave pattern. Like so. Maybe like this. It is completely up to you. Oops. Okay. Once you're done, I'm just going to go to Effect, Stylize, and Outer Glow. This is optional, but I like to kind of add this on. Select OK. Oops. And I'm just going to add this twice because sometimes it doesn't show. And you can adjust the blur and the opacity here. Oops. This kind of takes a long time to sort of apply. You can adjust stuff here, but I'm just going to leave it as is. If you're not pleased with the glow, you can edit that later. You can also change the color line to like white if you want the glow to be a little bit brighter, but that is pretty much how you can create a sort of wave pattern on Adobe Illustrator. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!